Come and join me while I try different methods to create mini egg nails, and I'm including the fails. So the first one I tried was the eyelash spoolie. Straight off the bat, this was probably the easiest, and I really quite liked the effect because it was quite uneven. So that one was a really, really good effect. The next one I tried was the makeup brush, and as you'll see here, I think I tried it at least 2 or 3 times, and it didn't work initially. But I found actually patting that off and using a really light touch, and also holding the brush on an angle eventually, did help. If you are liking this, please do remember to give us a like and a follow, and all of the colours here I will link below. They're from Blue Sky Gel Polish. So you'll see just having the brush on an angle there did make a difference. Now this one, I'd actually left the brush in front of my LED lamp and it had cured, and actually the brush is now perfect for mini egg nails. So obviously not ideal because I've lost a brush, but it was only a cheap one, so definitely worth the sacrifice. This one I used a liner brush and just some gel polish, and I just literally flicked it on. It was quite a nice effect. This one, absolute abject fail. The ombre brush did not work at all. If anybody's done this and got it to work, please let me know. Anyway, let me know in the comments which is your favourite, or if you've got another method that I should try, let me know there too. Thanks for watching.